And today's shitty stock of the day is Snowflake. Snowflake sold off 20% after reporting earnings, and I wanted to talk about it. It seemed like a lot of you guys really enjoyed my video yesterday when I talk about stocks that skyrocket or stocks that absolutely crash. And again, all I ask you to do is if you would like to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comment section. Show some love to this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, as that tells me that you value these videos. Okay, let's go ahead and jump right into it. I wanted to talk about some of the actual fundamentals that were released today. Snowflake reported earnings, and I've said this so many times. When a company reports earnings, it's based off of the previous quarter. That's the first part. The second part is guidance. As you can see, Snowflake beat its expectations for earnings per share and for revenue. Both came in higher than what is expected. But it's what was said during their guidance that caused the stock to sell off. And it says that Snowflake's CEO is stepping down. He's retiring, and this caused the stock to react in a very negative way by crashing 20%. Think about that. 1/5 of the market valuation of this company wiped out in a matter of hours just because this one man steps down. Now, is this an overreaction? This is what I'm going to be asking myself and paying attention to in the next few days, as well as their guidance was a little bit off, as their guidance for their first quarter of 2024 is expected to be right around 759 million according to analysts. It came in at 745 to 750. So again, we've said it once, I'll say it again. Earning reports are important, but guidance during those earning reports, which is the second part, is often more important. And I think Snowflake is just a perfect example of this. Again, I like to talk about what if it does recover, not that it has to, but just what if it does. From its current price point, if it returns back to previous highs, it offers about a 28% return. And this is really unfortunate because Snowflake, although it has had some rough years, right, going from highs of 405 all the way down to 110, from 110, it's worked its way back up to nearly 240 a share. Now, just to give it all the way back down to 180, that's where it's trading at after market hours. It's going to be trading an opening down here if it remains right around 183. So I'm going to be really excited just to keep an eye, not that I need to trade it, but just to keep an eye and see, are we going to see lower lows and more selling pressure on Snow? Or is this an overreaction, and is the market going to begin to recover that might present a good dip buy opportunity? You guys let me know down in the comment section. But one of the things that I want to remind you that I always preach to our beginner traders is, again, when in doubt, never be afraid to pull out. You don't have to trade stocks like this. That direction is still not very clear, right? It is much easier. It's still challenging, but much easier to make money in the market when direction is in your favor and when direction is clear. So that means that we have to give this more time for it to really identify, is this thing going to begin to recover? Let's wait for confirmation. Or if it's going to continue to sell off, then let's wait for that confirmation as well. Stay patient, stay calculated, and most importantly, be efficient with the trades you actually choose to open. I hope to see you for tomorrow's live trading session. And if you want to tune on in, it's the second link in the description down below that will give you 50% off our LPP lesson library, which of course is a one-time payment, lifetime access, and you'll get to watch me trade live every single day starting tomorrow right at market open. I appreciate your time. Hope that earned a thumbs up. I'll see you tomorrow on the next one. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.